Them good days. Well, I hopped in the car to go somewhere today and my car won't start. Yeah, look, watch. So yep, that's my Friday. After a few minutes of contemplation on the internet, I'm pretty sure the starter went out in my car. I'm gonna try to hit with a hammer a couple times and see if that works, because it's worked before. But for now, darken. Because yeah. Like a bitch. Hey! But yeah, so I'm pretty sure the starter went out in my car. So I have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to figure that out. And I gotta go back to work Monday, so hopefully we can figure that out between now and then. And if not, it's fine. I'll just figure it out in some other way. Oh, my baby. So yeah, here's to hoping that it's a relatively simple fix on my car. Because I'll be honest with you, I haven't had it very long. So yeah, wish me luck. I'll let you know how it goes. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it fixed today or even tomorrow, because I don't know that I have that bandwidth in me. You're here, viewfinder's there. Follow me this way. Wow, I don't even know if it was recording. Anyways, our starter's chilling down there. I gotta change it. It's the original one from 2006. And air filter. And I gotta change the mass airflow sensor too. And the thermostat, because like 3 things messed up like exactly at one time, so what can you do?